In this video, we will talk about how you can add sub-goal on OBS Studio. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Streamlabs Goals widget gallery. And once you're there, just scroll down and click onto the search bar and search right here for goal. You can find sub-goal right here, so head over and click on sub-goal. Now, once you have clicked on this, you can see that you need to connect a platform to use this widget. So head over and connect one first. So once you have connected something, click on done. And from in there, you can see now your sub-goal part. So you can just copy this widget URL that you can see right here. So click on copy. And once you have copied that, head over right here into your OBS application. Let me show you our OBS. So here's our OBS right here. And the next thing to do is to click onto this plus icon. Once you click on that, you can see this option for browser, so head over and click on this. You can just name this browser, you can also name this sub-goal. And now let's head over and click on OK. So now we have this. The next thing we need to do is just input the URL right here. Let's remove this and let's input the copied URL. Once that's added, you can head over and click on OK. You can now open right here the sub-goal, and you should be able to see the widget if you have any added goal from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.